Miguel Rezinho, watch out for him, and Nuno Santos in the spaces between the midfield and the defense. Kulisu Mudau likes to get high. Rezinho, that's a really good one. Oh my word! What a start! What a start! Nuno Santos. Mamelodi Sundowns have hit their straps immediately.
Sundowns!
Making the identical run. Zinho clips it up there again. No ways! Now they travel down the right. What can Lupopo make of this moment? Chance! Goal! All of these Sundowns supporters. Goal. Kashala made the run towards the near post. He wasn't picked up. It's a really good finish. Ronwen William to Mamelodi Sundowns. Nuno Santos, Miguel Rezinho. Debhumokwena is going to hit it. Deflection, nasty deflection. Will it possibly be a Sundowns? The determining factor so often. Nuno Santos, Kulisu Mudau. This looks really promising. Allende for Sundowns off the post. Allende scores. What because of his goals, but because of his general play. But today he has restored the Brazilians' advantage. Just that move to drop the shoulder and to allow the ball to travel across his body was almost better than the goal itself. From Lupopo, Nuno Santos, great pass. Sales was pushed at an angle. Tashreeq Matthews, that's great stuff. Sat down the defender. Sales into the box. What a Sundowns goal! Sales to Nuno Santos. Matthews. Very much the same. Delightful skill. Good pick out to Sales, who somehow managed to dig out across. Mr. Chairman, worried man. Tiani Mabunda on his left-hand side.
Kibao, Matami Kiba, Skapasa, Kakwa Lumbumbashi. Baye tse gore Sundowns se tshwanetse a tsena mo leetong go leba ko me Sundowns fight so far e tla be le ba jala ka kwa Algiers kwa MC Algiers jaaka re go totobaletsa